need to log in here, because you need to log in here as well, so you guys can save the file, save your works, okay, in a cloud version. So when you want to save the file, you can save in a cloud version. So when you have a cloud version 1, okay, you can save in the cloud storage, okay. When you save in the cloud storage, you can open and you can share your file. As I mentioned previously, you can share your file, and then for the exercise today, you can share only the link towards me. No need to submit the file. Share the link is much more faster. Okay, clear? Clear, guys?
Miss.
Yeah.
Miss, can repeat how to log in again from the Snap?
How to log in? Go to log in and log in. When you click the URL, there is a menu bar named login. So log in. Then that is how you log in.
So once you run the app after you log in, it automatically log in already, right? Because you know you said you have to log in the Snap again, is it?
The login again is when you want to store your work in the cloud storage. Not you log in again after you open. No. We log in again because we want to save our work into a cloud storage. Then it will be inside our Snap project.
Okay, I understand, Miss.
Done, guys?
Hi, Miss.
Yes.
After I log in, right, then
Mm.
have to press run Snap now, right?
Yes, run Snap. This one. Run Snap.
Okay.
Run Snap, they will open here.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Done? Done, guys? Are you done? Thank you, Zian. Thank you. Thank you, Ao. Okay. Okay, Moonheng, your friends already explained. Okay. Thank you, Zian and Ao. So are you done, guys?
Excuse me, miss.
Yes.
After I log in, what should I do next?
Open the snap.
Yeah, I open the tab and log in.
We didn't do anything yet. I'm just waiting for you guys to log in to the snap and open the snap environment here, the interface here, and then we didn't do anything yet.
Okay.
Okay. Done, eh? Everyone done, eh? Samuel done.
Yes, I'm done.
Miss, we're using IVIP also.
Yes.
We're using IVIP software also, apart from Snap.
Yes. I can't hear you clearly.
Ma'am, I'm saying that we can use BYOP also.
Okay. As I mentioned, the things that I want to teach you guys, we don't have inside a Scratch, we don't have inside a BYOB. That's why I asked you to log in into Snap. You don't have to install, you just need to log in, and it's not that you need to pay. It's just it's a free account. You just need to register and then you open the Snap. Because
Ma'am, we're not.
if you want to open in BYOB, after this, when I start teaching and you don't have that features, you don't blame me. And you don't ask me why you cannot have the same thing as mine.
No, miss, I'm asking that in previous class you said that we can use both software. That's why I'm asking.
Okay, done, eh? Everyone done. So let we start. Okay. The first tutorial, okay, we will have like 3 tutorials before the exercise questions. Okay. The first tutorial, we have it in BYOB. Okay, but I will just do it inside the Snap as the next tutorial. Okay, the next tutorial we will need to use the Snap. I don't want to change our BYOB to Snap, so we just start for today only using a Snap. Okay, so regarding what application you want to use for your assignment, okay, I have informed you during our first class. So I will not repeat it again. So you may need to go and watch the recording. Okay. Why we have Snap, why we have BYOB, and why we have a Scratch. Okay. Okay. So next. The first thing is we can create a simple animation using the computational thinking, okay, programming. So using BYOB or Snap or Scratch, okay, we can create some simple animation, okay, but we cannot make them move separately. Like if we have one whole body, human body, we cannot make a different movement for the hands, for the legs, okay, for the heads. We cannot. We can only move the whole body. Okay, so today's tutorial we will use a lot of motion, looks, and control. Okay, so let me start. First of all, we change our sprite. So go to costume, go to the file, go to the costume here, and I would like to use Alonso 3D. So if you want to use other than Alonso sprite, you may use, but listen, I would like you to listen carefully because I already can see the result for being not focused and listen during the class. based on your EWA, assignment submission. Okay, so listen carefully here. I would like to use Alonso for my tutorial example. But if you want to use other than Alonso's costume, Alonso's sprite costume, you are allowed to use it, but the effect or the output that we want to see will have a slight difference. Clear? Clear?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So, for the first time, just follow me using Alonso. After that, if you want to choose a different costume to see what will happen if you use the human or people costume or people sprite, okay, with the same script. You can see by yourself by changing the sprite later on. Okay, but for the beginning, we choose Alonso 3D, import. Too big, right? Our Alonso. So go to looks, bring the set size and make them into a script area. Change the value to 40% and click. Then it will become smaller. Why I didn't bring the controller? Because I just want to change the size for one time only. Not every time I run the program. So that's why I just bring the one set size script only. Okay, then I will remove. Because I just want to make Alonso to this 40% size. Done. Okay. So now let we go and bring our event controller. Either we want to use green flag click, space key press, or when I'm click. So when I'm click means when you click your sprite. Okay, so I will choose to when I'm click. So when you choose when I'm click, actually you can change the controller, the event controller. But for now, I just want to when I'm click, because when you click Alonso, then it will do the task inside here. Okay. Now, I want to make the Alonso an animation that changing a different color. So we go to looks because it will change the looks of Alonso. Okay, so bring the set command. Make sure you look at the color, because all the command palettes here based on the color. So you look at the color and find the command from the color based on the color. So bring the set ghost. Change ghost by clicking the drop down arrow into color. Okay, we will set the color effect. Since I want to have a different color effects, I will go to operator to let the system, okay, to let the system pick randomly any color every time I run the program. So I will bring pick random. I will put the range of the color from 1 to 25. 1000. Okay, 1 to 25. So every time I click Alonso, it will change to a different color based on the range given. So if you want to have more different color, pick randomly, you can up more the range and the computer will give you a very different color based on the random. But this instruction is not automatically run the program. You need to click to see multiple changes of the color. Okay? Clear?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So now we want to make Alonso to have a changes of color for maybe for 10 times. Okay? So we go to control. We bring the repetition statement, which is repeat. I will not use forever because forever your program will be infinite loop. Then it won't have any termination on your program. So instead of using forever, I will use repeat. I will repeat 5 times for the beginning. Repeat 5 times. Okay. And I will wait 1 second because I want to show you that how many repeats the color for your Alonso. So we start now. We click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. You just click 1 time. They will repeat 5 times with a different color. Another time, click 1. Okay. 2, 3. Wait. Okay, 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So they will change repeatedly 5 times. But you cannot see your first Alonso with the yellow color anymore because when you click the Alonso, the sprite is directly run the change color. So if you want to turn back your sprite color to a yellow, the mustard yellow color, you may go to looks and you can bring clear graphic effect. So every time you start, it will clear the graph. Oh, sorry. Okay. So wait. Every time you start, it's supposed to clear the graphic effect first, but it doesn't clear. What happened? Where's my Alonso? Clear the graphic effect. It become blue color as the effect. Wait. It's supposed to change the color. Wait. So let's we go. If we put here, because I want to change or clear the graphic effect first. Okay, so we want Alonso. We want Alonso. Then when we click Alonso, it will goes to the 5 different colors. And when we click again, it's supposed to clear the graphic. Suppose clear graphic effect means they will go back to the Alonso, the actual Alonso. So what you can do, you may put after this. Okay, you can try where you want to put the clear graphic effect. There you go. They will go back to the actual color, actual sprite color. That's why we use the clear graphic effect because we want to clear whatever effects on the looks that we have changed. Clear?
Clear, miss.
Okay. Did you get the same output?
Yes.
Okay, good. So now, you can save your file. Okay. Saving your file, this file, you can save your file. You can go to File and Save. When you save, you can choose to save on the clouds or computer. Both can, because both you can always download and both you also can always edit online and both also can you share. So if computer, it will be open from the Snap as well. You cannot open from your computer. So if you want to download, you can download. Okay, so let's just save it inside a cloud. Save it inside a cloud. So you can save the file project as that to change the effect. Save. Okay? Once you save, you can go to your file project and then you will see your program. You can click and you can play and run. Okay, you can click, they will run exactly. But now it's a private, you didn't share to anybody. Remember, I show you how to share. Click share. Okay, if you want to share, click share and copy the file link. Once you copy, then it will not be private anymore. So if you want to unshare, you just click unshare. Then it will be yours only. Clear? Clear, guys?
Yes.
Okay.
I miss.
Ah,
Okay, I've already saved it, but how do I access it again?
go
I
to
saved it in
your,
my cloud.
okay. So go to your, when you log in, okay,
Uh,
there is your
oh,
name, right? Go to project. Go to
okay,
your project.
okay,
Okay?
thank you. Yep.
Ah.
Miss, I accidentally deleted my sprite, but how do I add it back? I don't see any options to add it back.
Hmm?
I accidentally deleted my sprite, but how to add? Do I add it back? I don't see any options to import it back.
You deleted your sprite, then go to
Yeah,
costume, add your sprite again. Go to costume and add your sprite again. Hmm.
I don't see the option to add. Where is it?
Costume. Add a new sprite here. Then change the costume.
Okay, okay.
Done, guys?
Hi, Miss.
Yes.
After I save it to the drive, right? How do
Mm.
I open the link again? Like if I want to share the link, how?
Open from your project, eh?
Yeah, open from my project.
And then open.
Yeah, how do I get the link? Like if I want to submit, how?
Share button.
Oh, there's a share. Okay, okay. I saw it. Okay, thank you.
Done, guys? Okay, so using the same file, we will make our Alonso or our sprite with his new friends dancing together based on the sound with the playing a piano notes. Okay, based on the playing of the piano notes. Okay, then Alonso and his friends will dance together. Okay, so here we go. I will remove the when I am click. I will not use this controller anymore because we will have two sprites. When we have two sprites and they will run simultaneously together, so the event controller that suitable is only when green flag click or the key press. So I will use the green flag click. Okay. So using the green flag click for Alonso, I will say I will have a display text. Alonso will talk to his friend saying that watch me dance. Okay. And then Alonso will repeat 5 times. Okay. Repeatedly 5 times. And they will have the motion move put above of the changing color move. Okay, 30 step. And we will play the piano. Okay, then we choose the notes. You can choose the note. Okay, you can choose the note. Okay, you can choose the note. The beats, you can change the beats if you don't want to use 0.5. If you want to use 0.25 beats, up to you. Okay, and then I say it will change color. Okay, it will change color effect, and it will going back because Alonso just know how to dance forward and backward only. So another negative 30, move negative 30, going backward. Okay, and then we will play another notes of the piano. So here we go. So I will choose 62 and 0.25. Okay. So if you don't want to put the wait 1 second, you can remove for a while and you can see the output first. You test first. What will happen? Watch me dance. Oh, you cannot hear the sound. Let me, okay, share with you the sound. So that is the sound that you will get. So if you want to undo, you can undo using the arrow here. So if you want to type, you can click the using the keyboard to enter the block. But we don't want to use the keyboard. So you can undo and redo. Okay. So you can see here. It become. But 5 times only. So this is Alonso. Okay, this is Alonso. Alonso will dance like this. So how about Alonso friends? First, I want you to finish the script for Alonso. Then we will go to the next part. If you have done, let me know. If you still doing the Alonso part, let me know as well. Okay. So this is what I mean by animation. You can move the whole body of Alonso like ting ting forward and backward. Okay. If you have done, let me know, guys.
Done, miss.
Okay.
Done, miss.
Okay.
Done, miss.
Who's still doing the Alonso part? Who's still doing the Alonso part? Who's still doing the Alonso part? Everyone done? Okay, no response means I assume everyone done. Okay? I just want to remind you guys. IVIP not similar to EWA. Okay? So if you didn't respond, I didn't know whether you have done or not. So the possibility that you will left behind, you didn't know, okay, you didn't get to learn what all of your friends, okay, have learned, then you will leave out, okay. So when I ask you, respond, just be honest. It's not that I will look you like in a weird way. No, I will not do something like that. I will wait for you guys. Just let me know if you still doing it. And if you have done, just let me know as well.
Miss, I'm done, but my play button doesn't work. I don't know why it doesn't move.
Make sure you use the play button. When you choose the play button, green flag click the green flag click. If you use a different controller, follow what you have choose. Okay? If you use when I'm click, then you need to click your spot. You cannot click the green flag click. Okay?
Okay, miss. I understand now.
Okay. Let me proceed. So next, go to add a new sprite. But of course, we don't want to use this turtle sprite. Okay. So we want to change the costumes. Go to this file. Make sure you are in the costume tab. Go to the file costume. Okay. This time around, choose a costumes. Okay. With a multiple motion or multiple movement, like Anina have a multiple movement costume, like Aina, okay, Aina A, B, Aina 1, 2, 3, 4 until 7, until 10 or until 12, okay, Avery walking, exact pop, okay, you choose ballerina or any sprite costume that can have a multiple different, okay, movement that show they are dancing. So I will choose Cassie, okay. I will choose Cassie. The first one is KCD, and then I will add another costume, KCA, KCB, and KCC. So 4 different costume from Cassie. But of course, the first one will be Cassie A. So I will make Cassie sit here. Okay, Alonso a little bit here, Cassie here. And then that's all. Import a different costume that can show the different movement. As we cannot move the Cassie hands and legs, so we are the one who need to have the different costume for Cassie. So you can choose other costume as well. If you have done, let me know.
Done, miss.
Miss, I would like to ask, how do you change the size again?
Using the set size. Using the set size to change the size.
My figure is not change. It's not reducing in size though. I set size to 50%, but it have no changes.
Of course, you need to click at the script. If you didn't click, of course, it doesn't change. Where have you been? Early in the class, I already show you guys,
I still don't get what you mean.
Early in the class, I already show how to set the size. You need to click at the script once you change the value.
Oh, okay, now it's working. Yeah.
Try to cancel and open again, wave 1. Try to cancel and open again, wave 1. Done, guys.
Yes, miss.
Done, miss.
Done, miss.
Okay. Wave 1. Are you done? Why? Why it happened like that with wave 1? Is it because of did you use your mobile data? You are in APU? Wave 1. You live in APU? Oh. You are in hostel. APU hostel. Oh. Ilalam as well. Bani as well.
No, miss, I'm off campus.
Off campus.
I'm in
Yeah.
campus, miss. It's same to me, but now it's okay. The internet is good.
So it's a APU internet connection lah.
Yeah, sometimes it do it, yeah, miss.
It's understood. It's understood. Okay. But now is it okay, wave 1? Okay. So let's restart. Since Alonso we use when a green flag click. For the first part we use green flag click. Second part as well we need to use a green flag click. Okay. We need to use the green flag click. So if you use space key press, you must use the space key press as well. That's why I didn't advise you to use the spike click. Because it won't run simultaneously. I understand, some of you didn't change when I asked you to change, which is you are not following the instruction. You still using the when I'm click. So after this, if yours is not working, means yours didn't run simultaneously for both of your spike. Okay? You know what is your problem. You must know what is your problem. because that is your own mistake where you didn't following the instruction given. Okay, so for this kind of simultaneously running, you must choose either from the when a green flag click or the key press only. Okay, so now let's restart. For the beginning, I would like to use forever because I want to show you the difference of the infinite loop with the loop with the condition that you say it must be 5. Okay, so infinite loop forever. Go to looks, we switch the costume. This is Cassie D, then we will go to Cassie dance A. And then I want to see the changes, so I will have the delay. If you didn't put the delay, you cannot see, okay, the changes of the costume for one costume to the another costumes. So putting a delay, you can see it. But if you think that 1 second is too long, you can make them 0.5 seconds. This is your program, so you are the one who can change the code. Nothing happened. Okay, so you are the one who will change the code or can change the code. Nothing happened because this is your program. You are the one who created it. So it will run based on how you want it to be. So this one Cassie dance B, and the third one will be Cassie dance C. Okay, and at the end, I would like to have my Cassie turn back to the Cassie D. So I will go to the switch to costume. The last one, I will make it Cassie D. So when I click the green flag click, both will dance together. But using the forever loop, which is infinite loop, our program will not be terminated. Cassie will dance, never stop. This is what we don't want. So what you can do is choose a repeat. Make a repeat 5 just as like Alonso. So repeat 5. And then they will have 5 repeat. Don't worry, Cassie will be stop a little bit late. So they will dance together. Okay. Who get the output? Okay, good. Shazwan get the output, Shazwan? Okay, good, Who else get the output? Tatsuya? Did you get the output, Tatsuya? Okay, Ruth. Okay. Tatsuya, did you get the output? No response. Yes. So if you want to remove one costume, so let's say Cassie only have 3 costumes. Okay, so you will see maybe become shorter lah. Okay, so there you go. Cassie will dance a little bit longer because we have 4 different change or switch costume. So if you want to have more shorter, then you can remove, or you can also change a little bit the wait 1 second. Okay, the waiting period. Okay, clear?
Clear, miss.
Johnson who okay. I want to, okay. Okay. So I'll just leave this one as usual. Okay. So now go back to the part 1. I want to show you, okay, one. I will not remove this one. Okay, I will show you that things that you can use is beside of move 30 step, move negative 30 step. What else you can use for your sprite to move? Okay. Okay, let me show you. This what we didn't have inside BYOB. We don't have it inside BYOB. We have the command, but the command is only for one, okay, one choices only. Okay, if in BYOB, okay, we only have, this go to, but we only have the mouse pointer. We don't have center, we don't have random position, or we don't have go to the spot. Okay, so right now I want you to use go to and random position, but the rest will be, we will duplicate, duplicate. Okay, the rest will be, I will change it. Okay, then, okay, here we go. We will have definitely the same. Okay, we will have definitely the same. Just, it will be automatically randomly go to everywhere. See? So it goes to anywhere because we choose random position. So if you choose mouse pointer, it will be based on where you point your mouse. They will follow where you point your mouse. So this is what we have, okay, in BYOB. They will go on the center. They will not moving because they go to center. This is what we have in a snap, not in BYOB. In BYOB, we only have go to mouse pointer. So when we choose go to the random position, let our program decide which random position they will go. Both will working. Don't worry, both will working. Okay? That is what I mean. Even though at the beginning, you follow my script, but after that, you can always change and look. If you use a different command, okay, from the command palette, what will happen? That's why I said if you want to change the color, if you look at this, change the sprite, look whether they will change the color or not. So if you're not believing me, okay, you can go to Cassie. You can bring the set color, okay, set color. You can set the color. You can set the color, but it won't change. So say you change the color, only didn't pick randomly, we just put 50, okay, because you want to see the sample. Okay, this one will change the color, but some sprite will not change color. Okay, will change color to green, but You see, all become green color. The hair become green color, all become green color. Not nice, right? Because maybe we just want their hands, their body parts to change the color, but it will change everything. So it different. If in BYOB it won't change. So you look what will be happen, what is the different if you use a different sprite, if you use a different script. That is why during the learning we teach you guys the basic one, the basic part, the basic script. So you are the one to explore. Oh, if I change it from move, I don't want to use move, I want to use glide. So what will happen? So you can bring what will happen if you use glide. If you use go to, just now I use go to, what happened? Your sprite become going anywhere, everywhere. Now your sprite doesn't change the color again. So we need to reset the color. Okay, clear the graphic effect. Okay. Okay, clear.
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Excuse me, miss.
Yes.
For me, the only Alonso is when I click on Alonso, he's only dancing alone, not with the girl.
Check your controller.
Can you go to?
Check your controller as I already informed you guys before we start. Check your controller. Done.
Miss, can you show us the script for Alonso?
Done, everyone?
Yes, Miss.
Done, miss.
Okay.
Miss,
Yes.
sorry for bothering, Miss. Miss, suddenly my Alonso already gone, Miss.
Try to undo.
He was dancing. He was dancing. Suddenly lost, Miss.
Do you use show or hide?
Show, Miss. Wait, let me try again, Miss.
Go to looks and go to show. And then try to bring here and try to click at show.
Okay, Miss. Thank you very much.
Then done, save the file. Okay. Sorry. Save as. I don't want you to replace the first one, so save as. Go save as. Give a different name. Okay. And then we want to have another things. Okay. So here we go. We don't want our background stage, okay, just a normal or like white, a dull white color like this. So we want to have some fun for our background to give a look that our sprite is having their dance movement. Okay, so go click at your stage, go to your backgrounds, and go to your file, go to your backgrounds again here, choose a suitable background. So here we go, I will choose party room. So I will make Alonso and Casey dance in the party room. No need to put any script. Then they will play and dance together in a party room. Then you can save as the file into a cloud. Okay, give a name. So I already have the file lab2 dance. Okay, you also can give a name lab2 dance. So when you go to your project, okay, when you go to your project, okay, I didn't publish. So here is my dance. Here is my dance. So you save, it will be here. Make sure you save the file. I will not save as I already have it. Okay, save and you will have the file. Okay, good, Vivian. No need to share. This is not exercise. Exercise later you need to share. This one tutorial. We still have one more tutorial before we proceed to our exercise. Done, guys? Can we proceed to our third tutorial?
Yes, miss.
Okay, go open a new one. So I will not, I will not save it. So I will go to a new one, empty. And I want to change the costume. I would like to take have a different costume. Okay, let me find a costume. This time around, you can use any costume. You can use any costume that you like. Okay. Which costume I want to use? Okay, I will use head wizard. Okay. I will use head wizard. Done. You can use any other costume, if you want to use apple, you want to use other costume, also can, no problem, But I would like to use head wizard. Okay, here we go. I would like to use a key press. So you can use other keyboard button, but I would like to use space key press. I want to make it transparency. We are not the one who make them transparency, but based on the script that we wrote, okay, they will instruct the program to make our sprite into a transparency and return back to a normal, okay, normal sprite. Okay, so here we go. I will go to looks. Since it based on the looks, I will change ghost effect by 50. Okay, and I will say if the effect of the ghost means transparency, they call ghost, they didn't call the transparent, they call ghost, okay. If the effect of the ghost equals to hundreds, okay, equals to hundreds mean maybe you press 2 times, then you cannot see anymore your sprite, it will return back to your current sprite here. Okay, so we go to control, we give a condition if, okay, if, go to looks, ghost effect, okay, bring ghost effect, make sure, remember, it's like a puzzle, so you must make them fit into the column, okay, equals to 100, then you will clear the graphic effect. So when I press the space bar on my keyboard, you cannot see, and second time, see, okay, but it's too obvious, very fast. So what you can do, you can add wait 1 second. You can have a wait 1 second to see, okay, see when you press, then it return back. First time you press, second time you press, you cannot see, then it return back because based on the script that you wrote. So if you want to have, you can make something like this. Repeat 2. Okay. You can have repeat 2. So you don't have to press 2 times the space bar. Okay. You don't have to press 2 times of the space bar. You just press 1. Suddenly disappear and appear. It's like a magic. Now you do a magic. So it's up to you how you want to have the repeat. So if you don't want to have the repeat, you can remove. If you say that you want to see it in a normal way, one by one, okay, then it will be appear. Okay, it will be disappear and appear. If you add the repeat 2 just now, we know repeat 2, the effect goes to 100. That's why the ghost effect equals to 100, it will clear the graphic, then you will see again your sprite. This is what we don't have inside BYOB. We have the ghost, sorry. We have the ghost effect, okay? But we don't have ghost effect like this. We don't have this, the effect, the one we want to call the reporter block here. We don't have. We just only have the change, okay? We just only have the change ghost effect, but we didn't have the reporter block in BYOB. That's why we didn't use in BYOB. Okay? Clear? Clear, guys?
Clear, miss.
Done. Are you done?
Yes, miss.
Done, miss.
Get the same output.
Yes, miss.
Okay, so here we go to your exercise. Sorry. Okay. So for your exercise, yes, you need to share the link, okay, into a sub channel that has been created into your current channel here in class exercise submission. So you just share me the snap link, just like your friends from lab 6 share with me, like this one. You just share and I can open. Okay, what is the question? Here we go. I will share with you the questions. Wait, I will share with you the questions. Okay. Okay. Wait, Okay. Guys, you can see the questions on the screen.
No, miss.
No,
You're not sharing
no,
the
miss.
screen.
Wait now.
Okay, no.
I don't know why. Okay. Microsoft Team keep close my screen sharing. Okay. Done? Can't you see?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So your exercise is you must create a one program using a snap. Okay. Where a ball bouncing all around the screen. Thank you, Zian. Okay. Zian already share, okay, the screenshot. Thank you, Zian. Okay, so your exercise is to create a snap program where a ball means only one ball that bouncing all around the screen, the stage screen. Okay, the output screen, the white screen. Okay, the ball will be bouncing all over the round, over the screen. So once you finish, share the work, click the link, share the work, copy the link, paste the button, paste the link into the sub channel that I have created. Once you submit, I open, I check, and you can leave the class. Clear? Clear?
Yes, clear, miss.
Okay, start now. You may start now, Yes. Yes, Honkit, I already opened yours. Thank you. Okay, Samuel, thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, Wong Wengjo, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Okay, Excel, thank you. Okay, Vivin, thank you.
Thank you very much, Miss.
Okay, see you guys at 4:30, eh? Okay, Tao Zen E, thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay. I can check your code as well, guys. Okay, GIE, thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay. Okay, Jason, thank you. Okay, Vinny, thank you. Okay, Shazwan, thank you.
All right, thank you, Miss.
Okay, see you at 4:30. Okay, Zian, thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, see you at 4:30. Okay, Hedy, thank you. Heidi, thank you, eh? Okay, Michelle, thank you. Okay, Enziyi, thank you. Okay, Suvan, thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
See you at 4:30. Okay, Jet, thank you.
Alright, thank you, Miss.
Okay. See you at 4:30. Okay, Tatsuya, thank you. Okay, Harold, thank you. Okay, Sutesh, thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, see you at 4:30, eh?
Okay.
Okay, Junho, Kwa Junho, thank you. Okay, Tang Kai Feng, thank you. Okay, Ruth Zabadia, thank you.
Miss, can I leave now?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Okay, Rifat, thank you. Okay, Moon Hang, thank you. Okay, Kwitakon, thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay. See you at 4:30, eh? Okay, Michelle, thank you. Okay, Cheng Hao, Tong Cheng Hao, thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, see you at 4:30.
Okay, see you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ilalam, thank you. Okay, Wei Huan, thank you. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
I'll see you at 4:30, eh? Ibagimov, yours is not working, eh? I click the green flag, click doesn't work. I click space press doesn't work. I space key press doesn't work. I put the spike doesn't work because you didn't even put the controller, eh? So it doesn't work, eh?
Send the link. Sorry, miss, this is the wrong link.
Sorry, Sohan, your project does not exist, eh? The link that you have shared is not working. It's either you unshare or you never share the link. Okay, I cannot open.
Hello, miss.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have done it, but I'm saving it, but it's saying that you are not logged in. I've already logged in, and it's showing me that not
Yeah,
logged
you
in.
need to log in. You need to log in.
Ma'am, I've logged in, but they are saying that I'm not logged in. I don't know why.
You need to log in both. As I mentioned, how many you need to log in at the front and from the Snap interface. Both you need to log in. I have shown. Okay?
No, ma'am, I have logged in. I have doing my work. I have done with my work. But when I'm saving it, it's showing me that you are not logged in. I
Yes,
don't know why.
because you must log in at two areas. First, at the front when you open the Snap website. Second, when you want to save in the cloud storage. Both you need to log in. Okay, I already showed early in the class. Okay? Okay, Sohan. But your ball is not bouncing, eh? For those I already call your name, you can leave the class. I will see you at 4:30 for your lecture class. For those still doing it, you can continue doing it. Because I was still in front of the computer, okay, until 4:15, our class end. So you can continue do it. And submit.
Teacher, I